Good morning. It's Sunday. I fell asleep with makeup on last night. After I posted the vlog, I passed out. What a great day yesterday was, guys. And the best part of the day for me so far has been, remember last night when I told you about the second lean and green and that I was going to weigh myself this morning? I'm totally the same. Didn't affect me whatsoever. So that's good news to me. On occasion, not often, but on occasion, if I'm out and I feel like having a second lean and green rather than my last two feelings, I'm going for it. Why not? So here we go with this morning's rundown. A cup of Dunkin' Donuts caramel coffee. And I made the chocolate shake, but I didn't add PB2 or anything. This is just water and ice. I'm gonna go catch up on some YouTube videos right now and just relax this morning. Everybody's still sleeping. Don't know what the plans are gonna be today, but we all have off tomorrow, so it's kind of like a Saturday for us, which is nice to have a 3-day weekend. Hope you guys are all staying focused and hope this slide into the Labor Day weekend didn't derail you. Don't let it. Don't let it, because you're working hard and those efforts are gonna pay off, I promise. I am like the slowest loser on the planet, but I'm doing it. And I'm fine with it being slow because I feel so good. And that's how the ball rolls, guys. Sometimes we whoosh and we have a huge weight loss in a week, and other times we just kind of do one of these. But it's okay, as long as you're not doing that, right? It's okay to go like this for a little while. Just remember how good you feel, and it's so important to get that nutrition, and that's what we're doing. So, all right, I'm going to catch up on some YouTube, and I'll see you in a little bit. So we're at fueling number dos. Right here is the tomato herb pasta, which is considered a hearty meal. It's very much like a hamburger helper kind of thing. You got your beef, you got your noodles, and your tomato sauce. Very good. And so yeah, that's what's going down for fueling number 2, guys. See you in a little while.
Hi guys, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna mix this thing with something over here, and it's called things. So I'm gonna take some things and put those things in this thing, so I'm gonna have something for my next fueling. Okay, see you soon, guys.
That's right. That was my husband, Jess. He thinks he's an actor. Or should I say actress? I don't know. But I know he grabbed my phone earlier and he did that. And seriously, I'm like crying in hysterics because I think I was preoccupied with work earlier when he was filming that. I was on my work phone and I like heard him, but I wasn't really paying attention. And when I just started editing and saw that clip, I had to leave it in here, guys. I just had to. I was literally hysterical. He's too much. Well, guess what? It's fueling number 3 time. We are about to go on a hike, and it's going to be a nice long one up at the Ramapo Mountain. So I made myself, for fueling number 3, my bun recipe here. It's the bagel recipe that I made in that video. If you guys want to know how to make this, look back in my video library. I have, I think it was called "And How I Make a Bagel." It was like a day, oh no, I'm sorry. It was called Optavia, What I Ate Today and How I Make a Bagel or something like that. The thumbnail is blue. I'm wearing ponytails with a hat. Go check out that video. If I remember, I'll link it in the description box. But on it is 1 wedge of Laughing Cow cheese and some sliced cucumber. So I'm going to have this. Here's what it looks like when it's closed. Look at that. It's almost the size of the plate. So I'm going to go have this right now, head out to the mountain, and we'll see you up there. So good, guys. Thing is giant. So good. I want to show you this again. I showed this to you on my boat day vlog. I bought this on Amazon. It's a frozen little bag, and when I go on hikes, when I go in the car, whatever, and I want to keep things cold from not melting, I put them in here. It's frozen. This whole thing is frozen on the inside. You can see the walls are built out of like little ice packs. I'm bringing some bars and I'm throwing them in here for the hike, just to be ready in case. I know there's probably way more than I actually need, 3 bars, but you never know, right? God forbid we get stuck in there up in the woods. So I want to make sure I have enough. So I'm going to put this in my my backpack and we're going to head up. Another thing I want to show you guys that I pack in here are pickles and olives. Reason being is when we're outside hiking and sweating, the pickles and the olives contain sodium, so that will keep us from getting dehydrated. So instead of drinking a sugary drink like Gatorade, that is the way to do it. And we are all packed in the packet and ready to go. So here's the backpack. This thing has a zippered compartment on my wallet. We keep a pocket knife in there, you never know, God forbid. And in the main part here, I'm gonna put in a bunch of these giant things of water. Here's another one. We got the packet going on in. This is what I use for the dogs, and I gotta get their little bowl to pack, so let me put that in. This is what we use for the dogs. It's just a disposable container. And we are all ready to go. So we're up the mountain about 2 miles in. Whew, we just had a replenishment of electrolytes. Brittany had pickles, Justin and I had a couple of olives. It's like, I swear, the best way to get your sodium in without sugary fluids. So we always carry those. Got my drizzled chocolate bar that I'm gonna have. The dogs had their water and snack. Here's where we're at. We're gonna continue in a couple minutes. There they go, like they can't wait. Right? Right. Snack time. We're sitting on a big rock. The girls are having snack. Here's where we're at. Hey girl. We're on a big rock. Wow, guys, what a hike. It's almost 8 o'clock. We were gone for over 3 hours. We hiked till we couldn't hike anymore. And I just stopped at ShopRite to get something to throw on the grill for Lean and Green. I'm supposed to have been already beyond that point, but I'm a little far past it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. I picked up Diet Cream Soda by Polar. Cream soda is one of my favorites, and I am so excited to drink this because I'm so thirsty. All our bottles of water are gone. All right, so I'm gonna head home, cook my Lean and Green, and as you can probably guess, this video will be up very late. Sorry. Lean and Green has been served. It's only 8:30 at night. I'm so hungry. So we have 2 small sliders. This is 85% lean ground beef, 1 slice of light provolone, and some, what do you call it? Broccoli and cauliflower. That is dinner for tonight, along with my diet cream. And I'm gonna go eat this right now. I might top it with a little bit of mustard, but no butter, no nothing, because the cheese has a little bit of fat in there. So, and so do the burgers. So I'm going this route, guys. Going this route. Looks good though, doesn't it? Yum. Guys, I'm shocked right now. I am shocked. I just finished my dinner. It's like a 45-minute, 50 minutes afterwards. And I'm just going to chug this down. This is the chocolate pudding because I can't eat past like 9:30. It's just too much. So I'm going to eat this now. It's a little close, but I want to go shower. I want to get my pajamas on and relax. Today was a very good day. Busy though. I'm tired. And tomorrow's a whole other day and we're off from work. Yes! So fun stuff in store. I don't know if Jess and I are going to do a fire pit tonight. Truthfully, I'm shot. I'm tired. That hike was so long and I'm just tired. So we'll see what happens. Maybe a Netflix movie, maybe the fire pit. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to go eat my chocolate pudding. The Optavia email that I just got says that my delivery for my new box will be coming tomorrow, but I'm not sure if we're getting mail tomorrow. It's Labor Day. Whatever, but I hope so. My chocolate pudding should be a couple days behind that. So thanks for sticking with me again. Thank you. I appreciate all my new subbies, all the people that jumped in my Facebook group. Hallelujah. We are learning so much from one another. And if you haven't checked it out yet, guys, it's called Keeping It Optavia with Felicia Nurse. Go on Facebook and check that out. I got my air fryer going. I'm cooking some chicken for tomorrow. So if you hear it going, I'm so sorry. It's not loud, but it's definitely in the background. So yeah. Anyway, I got sidetracked. Check out the Facebook group, jump on it, and I will see you over there, right? And follow me on Instagram if you don't. Felicia Nurse, same name as this channel. And that's about it. So I hope you all have a wonderful night. I'll see you mañana. Bye, guys.